Hi, I'm Stella Oiro, a software engineer building API systems. So for this particular system that I built, it is a API system that supports over 200 users with a 99.8% uptime. And I wanted to show you the architecture of how we did it. So we have a client layer here. So we have the mobile application, web, and admin dashboard. So when a client hits the API, the REST API endpoints, there's an authentication using JWT. And also we have rate limiting to ensure that we don't break our system. Then behind that, we have the core business logic. We also have reporting and analytics that has logs, metrics, and all that to help you monitor the system. And then we have the user and identity services. Then we also have data layers supported by MongoDB, and also we have Postgres, which is our main database. For the MongoDB, it helps us with logs and flexible data. So our system basically, we have it fully documented. The API is fully documented, and let me just show you an example of API documentation overview here. And so this is what I was telling you, that client, it's an API authorization database, and then we are able to access the services from that are behind. Then I wanted to show you the API, an example of an API. So this shows a complete request and response, and with all error scenarios and authentication requirements. Then for the database, here's a schema. So we have users and their IDs, the records, the audit logs. And this is what I was telling you. We keep the audit logs in the using MongoDB. So we have users with their IDs, our records, match them with the IDs, and so on and so forth. So for deployment, it's fully automated. So we use GitHub Actions that runs it automatically runs tests, builds Docker images, and deploys to staging. So it also runs smoke tests. And then we use the blue-green deployment to production to ensure there's zero downtime. So we also have our environment secrets that is all managed in AWS, and the whole pipeline from commit to production takes a very short time. So that's a production bucket system that is scalable, it's comprehensive, well documented, and has automated deployment. Let's talk about your project. Thank you.